Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo Reno 14 Pro smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can change the control panel of this smartphone. To do that, open your control panel and then click on these three dots. Select Customize Quick Settings. From here you can select Split, or if you're using Split then you can select Classic. Right now I'm using Classic, where I will get my control center and notifications together. But if I want to set the newer one, then click on these three dots, Customize Quick Settings, and then select Split. Now if I will swipe from the right side, it will open my control center, and if I will swipe from the left side, then it will open my notification bar, and I can switch like this as well. There is a hidden setting to quickly launch your camera application from your locked screen. To enable this, open your camera application, click on these three lines, select Settings, scroll down, and there you will see the option of Quick Launch. Enable this, select Settings, wait for a few seconds. After this, select Camera and then enable this. Now again open your camera application, go to the same settings and then enable this. Now when your phone is locked, if you will double press any of the volume button, then it will quickly launch your camera application. When you are on home screen, it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open any of these applications, but there is a gesture for this. Tap and hold on your home screen, select More, select Icon pull down gesture and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, if you will swipe from the either side of the screen like this, then it will bring all your application around your thumb. You can do that from either side of your screen. Then simply select the app you want to open, then it will directly open that application for you. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of split screen feature. Open the first application, put it in recent apps, tap on apps icon and then select split view. From here select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of the split screen feature. You can monitor your real-time network speed and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in the status bar. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen off feature. Tap and hold on your home screen. Select More. Firstly enable double tap to lock, scroll down and also enable double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, double tap on your empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on your locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then open your settings, select battery, select battery health and then enable this smart charging. Now it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. This smart charge will increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. If you are in a hurry and you want to quickly charge your smartphone, then in the same battery settings, select charging settings and enable this smart rapid charging. It will speed up your charging, but keep in mind it will warm your phone a little bit and also decrease the lifespan of your phone's battery if you will use this feature very frequently. You can directly launch your favorite application from your locked screen. To customize this, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gestures and motions and then select screen of gestures. The first one is draw an O to open camera. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw an O, then it will directly open your camera application. The second one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. If you will enable this, then whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw a V, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also control your music player when your phone is locked. Enable this. Now whenever you will draw these two lines, then it will play and pause your music, and if you will draw these symbols, then it will play the previous song and the next song. Now to set your favorite application, you can select any of these letters or this symbol. For example, I'm selecting this M. Select open an app and then select your favorite application. Enable this, and now whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw M, then it will directly open your favorite application. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your notification bar and control center. There's a gesture for this. Tap and hold on your home screen, select more, scroll down and select swipe down on home screen, select notification and quick settings. Now if you're using the modern control panel, then you have to swipe from the right side to open your control panel and from the left side to open your notification bar. You can also make a clone of any application. Open your settings, select apps, select app cloner. It will show you the messenger applications. If you want to clone other apps, then select other apps. Then select the app you want to clone. For example, I want to clone Netflix. Enable this. It will take few seconds. Then it will create the clone of this application. As you can see, I have two Netflix now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next two features are especially for you. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. Enable this. It will turn all the white color into black. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye comfort. Select this one and then enable eye comfort. It will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use these two features to protect your eyes. You can customize a lot of stuff in the smartphone. You can change the shape and size of these apps. You can change the font and much more. To do this, open your settings, select wallpaper and style, scroll down. From here, you can change the font. You can increase or decrease the font size. You can change the font style. You can also change this font weight. So if you are giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can definitely use these features. The next one is icons. Tap on this one. From here you can change the icon styles. You can increase or decrease the size of the icons. You can also increase or decrease the size of the app's name. After this, simply click on apply. You can also change the UI color of the smartphone. In the same wallpaper and style settings, select colors. Here you have different color palettes. Select your favorite one and then it will change the UI color of your smartphone. This phone also comes with always on display feature. In the same wallpaper and style settings, you will see always on display. Firstly, enable this and here you have different styles. Select your favorite one, click on got it. You can change the color of the clock as well. After this, click on apply and then it will set that AOD style on your locked screen. If you're using these 3-button navigation and you want to change the order of this, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down and then select system and update, select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these 3 buttons. Now if you want to set gestures, then simply select gestures. Now you can go back like this, open your recent applications like this and jump to your home screen like this. You can use circle to search feature as well. So if you want to search anything while scrolling your social media applications, simply tap and hold in the middle bottom like this. Then it will enable circle to search. Then circle the text or any image and then it will directly search on the Google for you. You can also use it to search anything that you have in front of you. Open your camera application, point towards it and then enable this circle to search and then circle the object you want to search. That's how you can use this circle to search feature in this smartphone. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility and convenience, again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold the power button and then select power menu. Now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. If you like to multitask, then you can use this smart sidebar feature. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Swipe to the left to open this. Here by default it has some applications. You can temporarily save any file in file dock. You can screen record, screenshot from here. You can also use this translate feature to translate anything while using your browser. Now if you want to edit this, click on edit and then remove unnecessary application from here or use your favorite application. Click on done and then whenever you will open any application, then it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it, even minimize it like this and whenever you need that application again, simply tap on that apps icon. So if you like to multitask, then you can definitely use this smart sidebar feature. If you want to open any application in floating window, then open that app, put it in recent tab, and then click on that apps icon. Select floating window, then it will open that application in floating window. If you want to hide your photos, videos, then open your settings, scroll down, select security and privacy, scroll down to the bottom and then select private safe. You have to set a privacy password, then you can save your photos and videos. I have made separate video on this topic. You can search on my channel and watch it. From here you can also hide any application and lock any app as well. I have also made a separate video on this. You can find that in my channel if you want. You can increase the quality of the audio on your voice call, but firstly you have to enable the next feature. Open your settings, select sound and vibration, scroll down and then select clear voice. Enable this. Now it will filter out all the background noise while you are on a call and give you a crystal clear audio on your voice calls. You can remove any unnecessary object or a person from your images. Open that image, select edit and then select AI editor. From here select AI eraser, circle the object, then it will erase it for you. But firstly you have to connect your smartphone with any internet connection. You can also enable auto call recording without any announcement or any kind of alert. Open your dialer, click on these three dots, select setting and then enable call recording. Record for all calls. Now it will automatically record all your calls without any announcement or any kind of alert. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Oppo Reno 14 Pro smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.